Let's know more about our tubular gel battery. About us. The Eastman Global Group began its journey in the year 1970 with presence in over 105 countries and 2,200 plus loyal distributor and dealer network across the world. Eastman Auto and Power Limited, incorporated by Eastman Group in 2006, is a leading manufacturer of tall tubular conventional batteries, solar batteries, e-rickshaw batteries, and now introducing Eastman Gel batteries. What is a tubular gel battery? A gel battery is a sealed, valve-regulated lead-acid battery that uses a gel electrolyte. Our gel battery's range is built tough and completely sealed, maintenance-free. Our range of tubular gel home UPS solar batteries are all designed to perform maximum possible energy density per unit of volume and/or weight. What is tubular gel technology? A modern gel battery, also known as a gel cell, is a VRLA battery with a jellified electrolyte. The sulfuric acid is mixed with fumed silica, which makes the resulting mass gel-like and immobile. Unlike a flooded wet cell lead-acid battery, these batteries do not need to be kept upright. Tubular plates use a frame structure consisting of a series of vertical spines connected to a common bus bar. The tubular design keeps the active material mechanically together inside the porous gauntlet and around the spines. Our battery USPs: tubular positive plates, proven cycling and deep cycling capabilities, gelled electrolyte, no stratification and no failure due to PSOC, valve regulated, no water top-up during service life, antimony-free alloy, longer shelf life because of very low self-discharge, high-pressure die-cast spine grids. Rate of grid corrosion is very low and higher float life. Supplied in-field and charged condition, 100% capacity on first discharge. Hassle-free transportation, no spillage during transportation, no harmful acid oozing out. German technology, don't emit hazardous gas during usages, controlled regulation of hydrogen gas. Unique features: tubular gel batteries made with robust PP container designed for better strength and heat dissipation. Fumed silica gel resulting in complete maintenance-free features. Special vent plugs to regulate inside pressure and recombination efficiency. Silica gel suitable for power backup application in tropical climates. Life cycle graph. Comparison of batteries with different technologies available. Certifications: CE, OSAS, ISO 9001. Our range of batteries: Gel Home UPS range 115 AH to 225 AH at C20. Gel Solar range 100 AH to 200 AH at C10. Battery operations for optimum output. Battery shall be installed in dry and cool place with good ventilated area. Always keep the inverter at SMF mode for tubular gel battery when it is in service. Floated charge voltage shall not be more than 13.8 volts per battery. Boost voltage shall not be more than 14.2 volts plus or minus 0.2 per battery. Boost charge is not required when it's in floated service. Low voltage or discharge voltage cutoff shall be 10.8 volts per battery. Maintenance-free batteries are designed with no need of water top-up only, but periodical cleaning and applying petroleum gel on terminals and general testing are required for longer life of battery. Applications: we use latest technology and material in our high-performance VRLA gel maintenance-free battery that can be used in many different applications like home UPS and solar energy storage system.